All right, YouTube. First thing on the project is changing out the trailer lights. So I've got the new trailer light all mounted up. Look on the back; it's got the ground and everything there. So make sure that you clean this off with something so that you're getting good ground connection, and make sure that you're putting the eyelet to the trailer and not to the washer first, or else you're going to have ground issues. Now what I've noticed with this, I had this all hooked up and it wasn't working right. So what I did is I matched up the colors to the old colors, and it turns out that that was wrong. So what you need to do is, on my trailer anyways, is the yellow goes to the orange and the brown will go to the yellow. If you see that, I'm also using shrinkable butt connectors, or whatever the hell you want to call them. I don't know what you want to call them, but anyways, I will show you how I go about connecting the butt connectors, and these are also shrinkable. So with that being said, they're a little bit more watertight. So first things first is you should make sure that they're a little twisted, and then put them in the sleeve like so. Give them a little twist. Then crimp them down like so. Oh, that one did not work. We did not crimp it tight enough. Oh, wow, that's just awesome. Okay, that's a little bit better, a little haggard now, but after that's all done, give her a little heat, like so, and the shrink wrap, or shrink on here, will shrink on top of the wire and seal it up real good, like so. I may disconnect that and do that again. Actually, I probably will, but let's see if we can get better luck on this one. Give her a little twisty poo. Twist. And give her a little oh, fuck. I'm screwing this right up, guys, and I know I am. Okay, that one actually worked out really good. So again, give her some heat. Let the shrink tube do its thing. Absolutely love these connectors. All right. Well, that's connected. Now, like I said, we will test this once again and see if we have success this time. All right, so we got running lights. We got some flashes. Yes, we have flashers. So that was a success. Like I said, super easy, super quick. On this side here, basically I had to tie the two black wires into the brown, green to green, and then ground to the trailer. Everything seems to work good. So yeah, that's pretty much I bought, some camera issues here. Pretty much I bought these lights right here. Bought them at Canadian Tire, and that was it.